Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you've been here. Today I'd like to show you how to crochet this stitch combination to create this amazing lacy design that would be really great for lacy style blankets, scarves, wraps, whatever you'd like to make with it. To start, you would need a chain with a multiple of 4 plus 1, and it's an easy 2-row repeat. So if you'd like to see the written instructions, they are going to be in the description box below, as well as instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos, or any videos, just in case I'm working too fast or too slow for you. This is what the front looks like. This is the back. And this is what it would look like if it was turned on its side. And in today's tutorial, I used Baby Bee Sweet Delight in Mint Charm. And this is a size 3 lightweight yarn. They recommend that you use a US 7 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, but as usual, I'm using my 5 millimeter H8. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, you'll need a multiple of 4 chains plus 1. So we're going to go with 21 for this example. And we're just going to make a short little swatch so you can see how the stitches are done. For row 1, in the 5th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to double crochet. In the next chain, you're going to work 2 double crochets into the same chain. And then in the next chain, 1 double crochet. And that's going to be our pattern across. So we'll skip 1 chain, in the next chain, 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 2 double crochets. And then next chain, 1 double crochet. So it goes 1, 2, 1, skip a chain. Skip the next chain, 1 double crochet. Two double crochets in the next chain. One double crochet in the next chain. Skip a chain, 1 double crochet, two in the next one, one double crochet in the next chain, and at the end you'll have 2 chains remaining, so you'll skip 1 chain, and in the last chain just a double crochet. That is row 1. Row 2, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in this first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2. Now we're going to work a puff stitch in between these 2 stitches So we're going to skip this stitch and work in between them in that space. So for a puff stitch, you yarn over, insert your hook between the stitches, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over. You're going to do this 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook in between the stitches, yarn over and pull back through. So now you have 5 loops on your hook. 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, insert your hook back between the stitches, yarn over, pull back through. So now you have a total of 9 loops on your hook. So yarn over and draw through all 9 loops. And that is a puff stitch. And we'll try that again. So for the beginning, we single crocheted, chain 2, puff stitch. Now we're going to chain 3, skip this next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Now we'll begin our repeat. Single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip this stitch right here. We're going to work in between these 2. We're going to work a puff stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook. We're going to do this 4 times. 2, 3, 4 for 9 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through all 9 loops. Chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet in this next stitch, and we'll repeat that again. Single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, skip this stitch, we're going to work in between, work a puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet, and we'll do it one more time for this row. Single crochet, chain 2, skip this stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 for 9 loops, chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and then to finish it off we're going to single crochet in the top of this chain 3, well it was chain 4, just to end the row. That is row 2. For row 3, we're going to chain 4, turn our work, and now we're going to skip both of these stitches. We're going to work a double crochet in this chain 2 space. Next, we're going to work 2 double crochets in the top of this puff stitch. 1, 2. And then lastly, we're going to work another double crochet in this chain 3 space. See how we've repeated this section. So 1 stitch goes in the chain 2, 2 stitches go in the puff stitch, 1 stitch goes in the chain 3. So now we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and repeat the pattern. We're going to work 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets in the top of the puff stitch, 1 double crochet in the chain 3 space, skip the next 2 stitches and repeat. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, skip the 2 stitches, one more time, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and for the very last stitch you'll need to work a triple crochet because it needs to be a little bit longer. So for a triple crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops again, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops for a 3rd time. That is a triple crochet. And there you have it. That is the entire pattern. It's a 2-row repeat, so you just repeat rows 2 and row 3 until you get to your desired length. And if you need it, I have the timestamps in the description box below as well, so you can jump to whichever row you need to without having to sift through the entire video. And when you're finished, you'll have this light and lacy, but with a nice textured detail fabric that you can use for your next crochet project. I hope you've enjoyed this stitch tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I love reading all your comments. Thank you so much for commenting. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.